Hey out there, YouTube, how we doing today? Well, I promised you I was going to bring this one to the channel with the other pocket guide we took a look at, survival trees. I'm going to try to leave a link right up there to basically that one. No, heck, that link up there is going to be to all the book reviews I've done. You can find it in there. So stay tuned. Right after we roll that intro, we're going to take a look at this guy. Alright, YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, everybody that I see, like on Dual Survival, or, Running Wild, or Dude You're Screwed, or, reality survival shows, they make looking at the bow drill and just, well, I should say, making a bow drill work so freaking pathetically simple. Well, it's not. Alright, I know lots of people have been frustrated, lots of people have given up on it, and lots of people who don't want to take a look at it. But I figured, let's go with the Master Creek. Okay? Now, I just love how he puts right here. There are few events in my life that I will never forget. Spinning out my first glowing red-hot bow drill ember is one of them. You worked hard for it. In a survival situation when you got to go to primitive skills, fire is critical. Alright, so having to make cordage and, getting your hearthboard, whatever, and a spindle and all that other wonderful stuff, that takes practice. Now, I know my buddy Jason over at Poor Man's Preparing bought a kit and, he put it up. Well, that got me motivated to get out there and go, let's see how we can do this. And I love how Creek basically breaks everything down in his book. He wants to make it as simple as possible. That way you can have, the best chance to get it going. And what I love is he breaks down trees in here. All right? Now, I'm not going to be spending too much time over that. I'm just giving you a quick overview because the next video I'm going to do with this is we're going to go step by step using his pocket field guide to do a bow drill and try to get a fire going. Now, there was one thing in here, I know from reading it last night, that I went, okay. Where is it? There we go. Right here. He gives you the part number and where to find it in order how to make really, really good hearthboards. So if you want to cheat, go to Lowe's and Home Depot. There's your item number and exactly what it is. And he tells you exactly what you're going to need to get going. I mean, I just love how he teaches you, okay, this is how you do it in the wild because you're going to have to baton to get a hearthboard. And it's just how he does it. All right. I told you guys I was going to bring this. And, it's not a long read like the other one. 57 pages on how to get one going. And a lot of it is just him breaking down into very, very simple ways. This is what you should look for. Here's your drying process. This is how you should set it up. And he heavily suggests, and I do as well, once you learn a skill, you need to practice it or you become rusty at it. So I don't want any of you going out in the woods, God forbid, you're in a survival situation and you forgot how to do this. It's not an easy process of just taking two sticks and doing this. It's just not. But you know what, guys? There's my really, really brief overview of the Pocket Field Guide. And yes, I've listened to all of you before. Oh, I should say who have suggested this before. And I have ordered Pocket Field Guide, the lists. So when that gets here, I'm bringing that to the channel as well because you guys heavily recommended it. And I want to take a look at it. I love the feedback that you guys give me on stuff. So I want to hear your, questions, comments. Hell, even give me some of your experiences with bow drills and any tips you may want to share. Help everybody out. That's what YouTube's pretty much for, right? Sharing info and helping with knowledge. But, leave all that wonderful stuff down below. If you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much. And, oh, yeah, I forgot to mention it. MSRP $6.99. If you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to check this video out. I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. you should be seeing a symbol popping up right down here. That's going to be, click on that. It's my company logo. And it's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you've smashed that subscribe button, please go ahead and click on the bell icon that is right next to it. That way you'll be notified every single time we upload brand new videos. Now, speaking of videos, two going to pop up right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. A quick overlook at the Pocket Field Guide, Master the Bow Drill. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible rest of your day.